Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be understanding how to write the program uh, on variable and how to display it. Before that, we need to understand some other terms. So let's get started. Okay, the first term is variables and constant. Okay, variables are those entities which can change the value. So, for example, here I have to x. Okay, so x is like a box. Whatever value we can. Okay, if we want here x to be replaced with 5, 6, or any number we can change it. Okay, x plus 5. Like if you want to put in now, this totally depend on the number which we put. Like if x equals to 1, the 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Okay, if x value is 2, 3, 4, then the answer of x plus 5 will be according to it. So it's totally user based. Okay, what user puts the value of x. But when you talk about constant are the entity which do not change the value. Example 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 will always remain 7. Okay. The value of 5 plus 2 will never change. The 2 will be 2, 4 will be 4. Okay, so these are constants. Okay. This is called variable and this is called constant. Generally, variables we use alphabets to denote variables. Like here we use X, A, B, C, D, Y, Z, any variables. Okay. Difference between string and integer. So let's understand what is string and what is integer. First, integer. So basically, integer is simply a numerical data. Okay, it's basically a numerical data. So how can we understand this? Uh, Let me understand you. Okay, so in numerical data like 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and so on. So in integer, if we add 1 plus 2, so what will be the value? The value will be absolutely 3. But in string is basically alphanumerical character, which is like alphanumeric, alphabet, numeric, numerical. Okay, so when you talk about string, the one with this semicolon, we are putting the string, and this is two. So now, if we try to add these two strings, the variable, the answer will be outcome is 1, 2. Are you getting my point? 1, 2. So this is the difference between integer and a string. String is an alphanumeric character. Like if I want to write here A, then we can write A also. So the answer will be A2. Okay, and integer is numeric. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 200. These all are integer. Hope you get the point. Now this is the data type. So it's necessary to know about what is a data type. So first thing is byte here is written. What is byte? Actually, it is a four blocks. Okay, one byte have 4 bits. Okay, one byte have 4 bits. So like if you talk about char, one byte means it has 4 bits. Okay, so this is the size of it. So similarly, if you talk about short integer, so it will be 8 bits. Okay, yeah, the first box. Okay, and one, two, three. So now two, 1 byte, 2 byte, total will be 8 byte. Okay, sorry, 8 bits. Integer size may vary. It's from modern compiler nowadays they use 4 bits. Before there was 2 bits. So it totally depends on compiler. And similarly, there are others. But what is data type? So data type are special data items which can be accessed according to its data type. Okay. Uh, Let me clear you up this with a program so that it will be more clearly understood. Like here we have int means integer. It only accepts number, character. It will print only a character in single type. For example, If I write here A, B, C, and if I access a character, then it will only access A, okay, at a time, or it will access B, it will access C. It will not access ABC. Okay, it will never access ABC single. It will only access one character, that is A or B or C. Any one character it will only like it will print or display. For example, if I took here ABC, so that after using percent %C, it will print only A. Okay, or it might print B or it might print C. It depends what the user inputs. Okay, so these are basic data type. We'll be learning today about integer and character. So let's get to the program. So a simple C program to understand the value. Uh, okay. uh, yeah. So this is a data type. We generally put a int only in main function. Sometimes code also, but this will be in another condition I will be teaching. For now, in condition there will be in. So first, to declare, uh, we are putting a number. Okay, so we cannot write a equals to 20. In some programming language, we can write directly a equals to 20 like Python. But in case of C, it is compulsory to mention the data type. So as you can see, 20 is a numerical data. So inside of this A, which is a variable where we are storing 20, it's necessary to mention the data type. So we are mentioning here int because it's a numeric data. So we are mentioning here int. Okay. For now, let's not look this. Let's jump to this. First step. The number is whatever written here in the semicolon. It will display that percent %d. So to access the data from integer, okay, we cannot directly access the integer data. The integer data can be only accessed if we write here percent %d. After writing percent %d, it will from here the number is okay. The number is now percent %d will be replaced with the data that is 20. Okay. How it will be replaced? Here we will write comma A. Okay. Are you getting? Here we will write comma A. So that the percent %d will be replaced to 10. And after that there is a slash here. It's a backslash. Uh, and if we write this, this means a new line. Okay. So this is the concept. After that, you are looking at char B5 apple. So every string is written in a semicolon. Okay, it is written in a semicolon. Here I have written five. This is an array concept. I'll be teaching you in later videos about array also. But for now, this we need to understand what is the size. Okay, we are just mentioning your size. The first one is a, that is 0. It's the index I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is there. Here a little bit program is wrong. Here we need to mention the size which we want to print. So there b bracket 0 will be there. If I add 0, b bracket 0, in character there will be percent %c. So simply it will print what? A. Okay. If I'll write here 1, then it will print p. Okay. It will print p. And it will further go on. So let's check in the compiler about this. Uh, Here I am using program is a C compiler. You can just simply type program is C compiler. I'm copying the program. To press the program. Okay, so here this is a case sensitive. You need to write I install.